Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of JBK5-100 control transformer of machine. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. You need to prepare wire strippers, wires, electric screwdriver, straight screwdriver, screws, nuts, insulating gloves, and multimeter. Before starting installation, please read the instructions carefully and check whether the parameters on the transformer nameplate match those of the load. Select a suitable installation location and fix the product with screws and nuts. Before starting the wiring procedure, test whether the power source voltage is the rated input voltage of the transformer, which is 380 volts. If it exceeds this range, consider adding a voltage regulator in between. First, use wire strippers to strip 11 to 13 mm of the copper wire, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. Use a straight screwdriver to loosen the screws of the terminal, then insert the copper wire into the wiring hole, and finally tighten the screws to compress the copper wire. Before wiring, identify the transformer terminals. Input end is 380 volts +_5. The outgoing end is 220 volts. Connect the grounding wire to the grounding terminal of the transformer. Check whether the input and output wires are connected to the correct terminals. Use a multimeter to test whether the output voltage meets the requirements and whether the grounding is normal. Ready to use after checking that everything is correct. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide. We provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.